Everyone knows bia in Igbo language as come, even a baby. Here are various ways you can use bia in a sentence. Let's dive in. Bia nso. Bia nso. Come close. Come close. Bia nso. Bia ebe a. Bia ebe a. Come here. Come here. Bia ugbu a. Bia ugbu a. Come now. Come now. Bia echi. Bia echi. Come tomorrow. Come tomorrow. Bia ngwa ngwa. Bia ngwa ngwa. Come quickly. Come quickly.